Chinsa ni Ikomi na inde charagire chiabona mugorobo mwanchi umurigereria kerokoro kwigena kwane una nogendrete kwego kekeima asokubwate miroberi yonsi getaseni kya Ndizi TV na bwo obwansu bwo Gusii na manga gendrete gokorekana imense ya Kenya nenekero twarora abara banene be serikali baba wikirana ase chinsemo au ase emisangirikano yamasabo awase omurai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto bagakora abara ibanda so musangirikano bwa masabo asensemo ya Dagoret South Imeye County ya Nairobi omukonyi bomurai wense Rigathi Gachagua obagakora abara ibande ase amasabo Imeye County ya Nyeri nabaigo ensemo ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya kora abantu murai bobo muburaila Molo Odinga amono mokonyo ya Martha Karua na barabuo nigo bagendrete no musangirikano bwa masabo Imeye County ya Kajiado ko kwarigania SMS Amayangu manya ina kwarigania senchera ere yobwenge kerango konyora buna sensemo ya Facebook na bagatonyara wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube botonyara wetra Ndizi TV News ero tagendrego sanga na baigo kwemanya manke. Orio koine kiachibi chanerio gichawe keira senchera yowe kraniga kuro kwa Abigail Nyanchamere teriane Everlyne Osero sanga na nche goika omwerio atoko ya chaka ase umurai wese Dr. William Samuel Ruto agendrete kubainekeria aba na nchibuna serikali ya Kenya kwanza inse uburai bwaye nigo yabekire emeroberio emikiranu yokorwa obokoreri burobuya abwa magendero okwana chinga kikira naso musangirikano bwa masabo asensemo ya Ruta Imeye bunge ya Dagoret South County ya Nairobi Ruto nigabakago kwarera igoro ya mangana yobochenu asalire ira yoko eneki abuna abana inchi babere bawekera obokorera bobochenu asenchera ire yubwororo.
Kwa muda mrefu pesa ambayo imepangiwa afya inachukuliwa inaenda kutengenezewa barabara. Ingine inaenda kujenga gate. Ingine sio inaenda kufanya nini. Tumesema sasa going forward pesa ya hospitali ni ya kununua dawa. Pesa ya hospitali ni ya kuhakikisha kwamba kuna matibabu hospitalini. Na tumetengeneza sheria inaitwa Facility Improvement Fund ambaye kazi yake ni kushughulika na kila hospitali, kila dispensary kuhakikisha kwamba kuna pesa, na national government na county government tumeungana na wananchi wenyewe tutawa incorporate katika kusimamia higher facilities so that the community owns the facility knowing that it is their facility. Nyinyi mnanielewa? Na tumesema vile vile level 1, level 2, level 3 matibabu hakuna maswali. Wewe unaenda unatibiwa, unapatiwa dawa, unaenda nyumbani, hakuna kulipa. Pale level 4, level 4, level 5, level 6 kila mmoja wetu atakuwa na card ya NHIF. Hii mnanielewa? Mimi najua pale mbeleni kama huna 500 huwezi kuwa na card ya NHIF, si namna hiyo? Sasa tumesema hata yule ambaye hawezi kulipa 500 serikali ya Kenya itakulipia kadi ya NHIF.
Okwana somo sangirikano yobaigoni go omobunke webunge ya Kiharu ndindi nyora bagakokera egetambukero murai wensa bereka waka anene asoko eneki abuna uchumi yense ya Kenya yabeire kego kina keima gakorengania Chinsa chinde na boigo amatukamagega nigate abuna asenga kiabono oburai bwabono nigo uchumi yense ya Kenya yabeire ke waka egetambukere kenene.
Mr. President, when we took over, we had long meetings, including with the majority leader and our treasury. And the truth of the matter is that Kenya was in red. Kenya was in a cliff. Lakini wewe ukatueleza, hata tukiendelea kulalamika, hatujisaidii. Ukatuambia tukuje shati na tuingie kwa kazi. And out of that, Mr. President, and your wise, deliberate policies, Kenya is now not on the cliff again. You have been able to stabilize our economy. Mr. President, actually in this year of 2023, beyond the other problems we have in the economy, Kenya was actually the 29th fastest growing economy in the world. Mr. President, you have been able to work around our debt. You are no longer under distress. We are now able to fulfill our obligations, and we are almost taking off. Mr. President, when we took over, inflation was very high. You have been able to stabilize our inflation actually within our limit. We have set a limit of 7.5, 2.5 to 7.5. We are already below that because of deliberate policies. Mr. President, also, you told us that for a country to grow, we have to focus not on consumption, not on consumption, but on production.
Na sensemo yayo mukonyi bomurai wense Rigathi Gachagua nigabaga kurabara ibande kurwase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza asomusangirekano bw'amasabo ensemo ya Mukuruini imeye county ya Nyeri okwana chinga kecho Gachagua nigabaga kwegerera engana y'oburemi asate babuna gusabaga bwakerambiye muno county ya Nyeri asegetamkero babere ba waka asogokinya rigesa nigata babuna serikali ya Kenya Kwanza kurawa n'umurai wense amonere nigoberwe tekegima asogosi amangana y'oburemi anenase orogongo rwa Mount Kenya anene kemeri giekawa kemeri gechana boigo oburemi bw'amabere erioko eneke abunari gesari abere rigokina kegima eriogokonya asogokinya uchumi ense ya Kenya Gachagua boigo nabaga kubwatuka egekure getindi gochiase bari abarengete kwebwatanira amangana y'obukurumi asensemo y'oburemi.
Niseme ya kwamba mambo ya ukulima, mabadiliko ambayo tunafanya katika sekta ya kahawa na majani chai na maziwa imeenda mzuri. Mambo ya majani chai imefaulu kiasi kubwa. Wiki tatu iliyopita tulitoa bonus kubwa ambayo haijafanyika hapa katika historia ya ukulima wa majani chai katika Kenya. Mambo ya maziwa imeenda mzuri. Mimi najua iko matatizo sahihi kwa sababu ya mvua mingi. Iko majadiliano tunaendelea naye ndio tujue vile tutastabilize hiyo sekta ya maziwa. Na nipongeze Mheshimiwa Muheka Mutai na wakulima dairy. You have done well, my brother. Mukuruini dairy is admired across the country. Hata kwetu huko Mathira watu wanaleta maziwa hapa Mukuruini. Watu Kieni wanaleta hapa Mukuruini because of good leadership. Mimi nataka kuhakikishia nyinyi tutashikilia wakulima ya maziwa. I know hapa Mukuruini ni kahawa na maziwa. Na lazima tushikilie hiyo sekta. Mambo ya kahawa tulianza kufanya mabadiliko. Tukakuwa na pingamizi kali kutoka kwa wale ambaye wako katikati ya mkulima na mkunywaji wa kahawa hapa katikati.
Na magega ya serikali gochakia umuroberi obwoko enekia buna obokoreri bububweni asenchira y'obwororo bwabere bogoikera aba 90 bonsi gose universal health coverage nigo bono umurikyo monene ase wizara y'obochenu Meri Mudhoni aberiga kubwatoka egekuru gose koba mochia bali abakobeka siasa ase amangana y'obochenu asate buna umuroberi oyoni go obekeirwe amachiko ayora chigokonya ase ogokinia ensemo y'obochenu nigatere buna serikali nebegetemero biremekiranu yokoenekya buna abana inchi bonsi babere bakonyora obokoreri bw'obochenu asenchira ere y'obwororo kigima.
I know sometimes you hear many people making funny comments. I think this is not the time to politicize our health issues in this country, the health agenda of this country. The president is very clear on which direction we need to take. We as a ministry, we are very clear on which direction we want to take for the people of the country. And by assenting these bills, really, it was an indication that we are serious in whatever issues that we want to do. Bills, one of the acts that was signed the other day is the Primary Healthcare Act 2023. And the second one is the Facility Improvement Fund, because we would want to see the funds that are collected from our facilities being plowed back to the same facilities to improve of the same. And equally, this fund will ensure that we are able to reduce on the gaps that are there, either on human resources or infrastructure.
Omukonyi bw'omugavana Amayia County ya Kakamega Ayub Sabula ni gwaganirie kamati iritinenirete chinkwana gati ya serikali ya monensemere kwa mereria serikali ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya kwene kiabunango beka barebosio amangana arengete igoro yogoke ya rigoririo bogima ase abakenya ni gatebire buna chingwa necho onye tichiri kobwatania amaganio y'abakenya ryo tichiri gochia konyora matunda andonsi mense ya Kenya ekirateru na chinga kechi abana nchini go bagenderete kwe murungania na bayo gochandika bokongu kobwatkana no komenta kwa magori ebinto.
Hawa jamaa Raila ametoa timu yake kwa mwongeleshano wanakuwa kiongea kule Nairobi Bomas. Ruto akatoa timu yake wanaongeleshana. Wasiongee juu ya viti, sijui nani achukue hii, nani achukue hii. Waongee tu vitu vingi. Kitu ya kwanza kuunganisha kitu ya pili to reduce the cost of living. Hiyo mambo mbili ndio ya maana. Huyo mwananchi atafaidika na watu wanaumia.
Abaremi nigo bagenderete kubori wa gotumeka ari bageriga riembure nyinge ya El Nino yekagere gochaka gutwasa chinsemo au ase ogokinia oburemi bwabo nabo igo rigesa ayangorengana no mugavana bwe county ya Baringo Jeremiah Benjamin Cheboy ayo yakwaneta ya chinga kyabete ga kobwatoka embusuro yebimeri au ase abamenyi be chinseme cyo nigatete buna ekirenga ye serikali noko eneke buna baremi babere bagosirwa irigo kinia rigese ya Kenya.
Tumezindua kupeana miche aina mbalimbali. Miche ya maharagwe, miche miche ya mahindi, miche ya kahawa, miche ya maembe, miche ya avocado, miche ya mimea mbalimbali. Tunasema wananchi tumia hii nafasi ya El Nino kuhakikisha kwamba umepanda miche.
Ekanisa ya Methodist Church of Kenya anena sorosa ya Tana River nigegenderete kwenekia okungusanana na boigo ogwatananika asikire bagoteba bugoseba komochia obotenenire obubebwo burai ase ekanisa yo aya mononi gachire magega yababwatani gosaba igeni kurase ekanisa yo ogosoka bosyo bwo bishop nterenera asikeria bamomochirie asogochora bishop w'ekanisa ngao ekibagoteba kerema mincha nerichiko rie kanisa yo nigo bago sereirie gochia gutagenderera kogenda se kanisa onye abara yabwoti bari gochia kobwatia amachiko anene yo kubwatani abaegenwa ase emeroberio yogochora abateneneri be kanisa.
Presiding bishop akatuambia kwamba yeye ameidhinisha Bishop Salati kama bishop wa Singwaya Synod bila mjadala wowote, ambalo siku ya leo ilikuwa ni ya maridhiano. Kwa sababu hiyo sisi wana Singwaya tumeamua kwamba kwa sababu amesema kwamba ikiwa hili hamulitaki basi mnaweza kwenda, nendeni kabisa, hivi nilivyosema ni hivi, na kama hamuwezi tokeni.
Based on the above, the members of this synod declare that we do not accept the forceful imposition of the Reverend Salati Semi as synod bishop.
Na kubwatkana nese yechabere chikonekiwa ase ensemo ya sondu kubwatkana nengana yorobebe ase abana nchikuru ase county ya Kisumu na baigo county ya Kericho wano nigokeire abarayibe kanisa kurwase county ya Chibere akocha mona kuboria serikali kobeke merobere mekiranu yokonekia omorembe obere gokorekana ase chinsemecho abarayabo nigo babete bagosangirekana ase ensemo ya sondu bunenchire ya moyo gosabera omorembe ase bagikeire asareri aberege konyorekana stinsemecho anene ogosiria amagima kwa bantu ogosiria enibo naboigo abantu abanke gotigara batabwati obomenyo namono go baruro kuboria gochase abamenyi bechinsemecho koba abatoereru chinga kemeroberio yo kubeka omorembe genderete.
This way of living is not our way. It is not human. But we want to forge ahead and ask not only the people of these two great counties, but the people who use Sondu market from time immemorial and in the future, that what we have seen is a lesson. We have learned something, though painfully, but we are going to forge ahead and make Sondu become a hub of peace.
Our mission of coming here is to console those who are bereaved and also to encourage those who have suffered because of the conflict that has occurred between the two communities.
So this is a day that we have come, and we know what has happened in this place. There has been conflict, and most of the people have been displaced from their homes. So to us, we came here to comfort them because of what has happened to them.
Mwanchi umurigeri roboti oruna robotoreto moeri obwa Amayia Chinsa Ikomi asenchera ere yobwenge korende na mange togendrete go kwariganiria agati yabo umuroberio bwo MC bwe wodi ibeno Steve Rika abwo gokonya gosegosira abagotu abubare wetani emiaka emerongo kyanda n'umuroberi agendrete kwene kyabuna abu babwate merongo miaka wetani emerongo kyanda babeire bagosirwa kurwas Chinsemo ao ime ye county ya Kisii abayigonto cyo kumanyana kyabara Azimio la Umoja One Kenya babegendrete numero musangirikano obobwa masabo imeye county ya Kajiado anenekero toroche bagendrete komochia serikali ya Kenya kwanza kubwatikana nogo konga kubugima asaba Kenya tobasaguska ayonuchko yanyora senchira yobikiranu yekoragense mona boigo Chinsa isato unarare twasore nere Josephat Amisi nyorabuna nabakugendera gotonyora sensemo ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube otonyore wetra Ndizi TV News serio togendere gosanga na boigo kwemanyia amange korende nyora asege kagetari getambe korubono umurobere obwemisa Jumapili ngo gochirore asore yamase mokoruga igase getaseni kya Ndizi TV buno kore twasore nere Joseph Mokogoti na ritkoria rero ni gabwa tabageni korwa ase kanisa ya St Francisca ayo gotoka ase ekerisia ya Suneka igobona mbagendrete kuyariganike gima eriyo gotosesenia na meroberio ao ime yemisa Jumapili tobosagoskare isaransoike eriyo bego goseseniwa ase Jumapili ya rero orioneke chibichane eriyo gichiago ikeire nigakoro kwa Abigail Nyanchama eriyo triane Everlyne Osero twaru burigere rubya nabo igo emagoroba irentoerero